Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 4. In today's video we are going to revise lesson number 9, teeth and digestion. Okay children, at the end of this chapter you will be able to differentiate between milk teeth and permanent teeth. We'll learn about different types of teeth, structure of tooth, how to take care of teeth, and can describe the digestive system. Okay, so in the beginning of the lesson we have seen types of teeth. So we have seen baby teeth or milk teeth, which are the first teeth of a baby. Okay, so these are temporary teeth. They start to fall out when the child is around 6 years old. Then another set of teeth grows in place of milk teeth. These are known as permanent teeth. These permanent teeth remain with us for the rest of our life. So adults have 32 permanent teeth, 16 teeth in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. So we have seen in detail the types of teeth and their use. Okay, so in our mouth, in the adult's mouth, there are 32 teeth, 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. So 4 front teeth are called incisors and they are used for cutting and biting. So there are 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. So the total there are 8 incisors. Then next to the incisors there are 2 sharp pointed teeth. They are called canines. 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Total 4 canines. They are used for tearing the food. Okay. Next to the canines there are premolars. Total 8 premolars. 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. They are used for chewing the food, okay, crushing the food. Then total 8 premolars, 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. After this there are molars. Okay, molars are used for chewing and grinding the food. There are 6 in upper jaw, 6 in lower jaw, total 12 molars. So total 32 teeth are there in the adult's mouth, and these are called permanent teeth. Then we have seen the structure of tooth. A section through the tooth we have seen 2 main parts, crown and root. Upper part which is visible part of the tooth, that is called crown, and the part which is in the gums, that is root. Okay, so in the crown we can see the enamel, the hardest part of our body. Okay, then in the root we can see dentine and pulp. Pulp is connected to the blood vessels. Okay, then how to take care of teeth. Looking after the teeth, brush gently with soft hands, use short back and forth strokes, clean the outer and inner surfaces of the teeth, clean the chewing surface of the teeth. If we take care of our teeth properly, so it can remain with us for the rest of life. Okay, now we will see digestion. What is digestion? The breakdown of food into simpler substances is called digestion. So every day which food we eat, it cannot be used by our body as it is. Directly it can't be used. It needs some process to break down into simpler substances, and then it absorbed by the blood in our body. So this process is called digestion. So the breaking down of food into simpler substances inside the body is called digestion, and the process of digestion is carried out by digestive system. So how the digestive system takes place, how the digestion process takes place, we will see. Here is the diagram of our digestive system. It starts from the mouth where we intake the food. Then chewing of food takes place in the mouth, in the buccal cavity. Okay, then food passes through the food pipe and it enters to the stomach. In the stomach some acids and enzymes are produced. They help to break down the food particles further. The stomach churns the food into a thick soup-like paste. Then what is the function of liver? Liver releases a digestive juice, that is called bile juice, into the small intestine. Then the function of this is small intestine. Food from the stomach enters the small intestine where the process of digestion gets completed. The small intestine produces a digestive juice. The digestive juices from the liver and the pancreas mix with it and further break down food into small nutrients. So these nutrients are absorbed by the blood through the walls of the small intestine. So in the small intestine actually digestion completed. Then the waste food goes to the undigested food goes to the large intestine. Then it will be expelled out pass out in the form of feces through the anus. Okay children, this is the process of digestion. Now I will see exercises of this lesson. Here is the word bank. Enamel, the hard white substance that covers our teeth. What is digestion? Breaking down of food into simpler substances by our digestive system. Enzymes, chemical substances that help in the digestion of food. What is bile? The digestive juice produced by the liver. Okay, here are tick the correct answers. The water from the undigested food in the human digestive system is absorbed by large intestine. The nutrients from the digested food are absorbed by the small intestine. Dash are also known as tearing teeth. Which are tearing teeth? Canines. We have 6 of them in each jaw. Molars. 6 in upper jaw, 6 in lower jaw. Total 12 molars. Next question is, the hardest part of the tooth is enamel. Okay. Here are some, unscramble the words. The soft part of the tooth with nerves and blood vessels. Here wrong spellings are LUPP. The correct spellings are PULP, pulp. The hardest part of the mouth. Here it is wrongly spelled. You have to write correct spelling. Enamel. ENAMEL. A yellow film formed on unclean teeth is called plaque. PLAQUE. 4 broad flat teeth used for grinding or chewing. Molar. Okay. Here spellings are wrong. Just molar. Cutting teeth in scissors. Cutting and biting. Okay. Actually, molars are not 4. They are 6. Okay. So cutting teeth are in scissors. Then here is exercise. Read the given sentence. Then answer the questions in a few words. So Jaya is 13 years old. Her baby brother Yash is 3 months old. Okay. So question is, what type of teeth does Jaya have? Jaya is 13 years old. She is having permanent teeth. Okay. What type of teeth will Jaya have when she is? What type of teeth will Jaya have then she is 20 years old? So here, second question, what type of teeth will Jaya have when she is 20 years old? Permanent teeth. What type of teeth will Yash have when he is 3 years old? Milk teeth. Why should Jaya visit her dentist regularly? To keep her teeth healthy. Okay children, that's it for today's video. So we have completed this lesson, this revision with textbook exercises. Go through the video, practice with all the exercises and diagrams. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.